Here's an exercise to help with pain and osteoarthritis in the big toe joint. Again, use a therapy band and place that around the big toe. Place the band under tension, and against that tension, allow the big toe to bend up as far as it will go, but keep the tension on the therapy band. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds, and now, keeping the same tension on the therapy band, pull the big toe towards the ground. Take the big toe as close as you can to the ground and hold for 2 to 3 seconds. Then once again, allow the toe to raise away from the ground, but keeping the tension on the therapy band throughout. We would recommend that you start 10 repetitions of this exercise, but over time, slowly try and increase it until you're able to do 20.